everyone. Thank you for tuning in to our first episode of Talk to Tony. Tony, please introduce yourself to our membership and our community and what we're here to talk about today.
Hi, Lizzie. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Tony Sanches. I'm the Assistant Vice President of Lending here at Pioneer Valley Credit Union. Today's webinar series is to bring you the most frequently asked questions regarding mortgages from our membership.
Excellent. Yes. So Tony, let's start off with the biggest one. How do I shop for a mortgage?
It's easy. Give me a call or email me, and I'll definitely take care of you.
Consider the following when shopping for a mortgage: fixed rate versus adjustable rate, loan term, 30-year or 15-year, points, and know the annual percentage rate, the APR.
Yeah, that's great to hear. How about mortgage insurance? What is it?
Great question. Mortgage insurance is required on any loan that you put less than 20% down. As a first-time home buyer, you may only have 5% to put down. That's okay, because that'll still get you in a home with mortgage insurance. So mortgage insurance is paid until you can get to 80%, or it'll automatically come off at 78%.
Very nice. Can you explain to me some mortgage terms that might be a little daunting for some first-time home buyers to hear?
There's a lot of mortgage terms out there. One of the main ones you want to keep looking for is prepayment penalty. If any mortgage has a prepayment penalty, you definitely want to walk away. You should be able to pay that mortgage off anytime you want. Another one is a balloon payment. That's definitely a no-no, and it shouldn't be around anymore. But a balloon payment basically means that you'd have a mortgage due for a certain period of time, and then boom, the whole entire thing is due. So it could be a 10-year, and then on the 11th year, your entire mortgage is due. You definitely want to stay away from those two: balloon payments and prepayments. Escrow is another word that's thrown around. Escrow is great. A lot of times when you purchase a home, we can escrow your property taxes for you. What that means is you'll pay us every single month for your principal and interest, along with your property taxes in the escrow. We'll escrow it for the 3 months and then pay it quarterly. Some towns pay semi-annually for taxes. But again, that escrow is free to you. And it's a monthly, you make your mortgage payment monthly, and then we pay your taxes, your property taxes, quarterly.
Thank you very much. I hear a lot of these pre-qualification, pre-approval. What does that really mean?
There's not much of a huge difference between the two. A lot of places will just interchange those two words, but pre-qualification is mainly what we do here at the credit union. It's a very simple process. You'll get a hold of me. I'll ask you for your stated income. We'll pull your credit. We'll take your stated income. We'll run some numbers, and we'll see what you qualify for. And what you need to know is your income, your assets, any debts that you have out there, because when we're reviewing the credit report, we want to make sure that what I see and what you have are on the same page. And if there's any discrepancies, we need to take care of those immediately. Pre-approvals are the same thing, except that we would send it over to an underwriter, where an underwriter would review the whole thing. And then that would be a hard inquiry on your credit, along with actually obtaining your W-2s and your pay stubs. Pre-qualifications are very simple and easy, and they're very good.
Good. Thanks. What else should I prepare for beforehand? What do I need to know before walking in and signing the papers?
Well, the main thing you need to know is your budget. That's one of the biggest things. Even though I may pre-qualify you for a $400,000 house, you may not want to live in that $400,000 house. I mean, we all want to live in a $400,000 house, but the point is, do you really want to make that monthly mortgage payment every single time? You know, do you want to continue having your Netflix membership or your Xbox membership, or do you want to just pay for your house? You know, do you want to go out sometimes, go to the movies, or do anything? I know we're under COVID right now, but your budget is something that you need to know. I don't know your budget. I see your credit report. I don't see your electric bill. I don't see your gas bill. I don't see those ancillary subscriptions that you have. So you need to know your budget. It's very, very important. How much you're willing to spend. You want to stay on top of everything. Know how much you spend on insurance. Know how much you're spending on electric, gas, things like that. And you don't want to take on any new loans either when you're looking for a mortgage. This is the time that shop for your mortgage, get in the house, and if you do need a new car down the road, get the new car later. And also, don't buy that furniture ahead of time.
Right. What is it? Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
That is correct.
So now I know all these things. What's the application process look like?
Application process is, again, very smooth and very easy here at the credit union. We'll ask you for your pay stubs. We're going to ask you for your W-2s. After you've input an application, the processor will process the loan. We're going to send you a loan estimate where you're going to review the closing costs. And then that's where you're going to see what the total cost of your loan is. And then from there, once you review that and you've given us intent to proceed, then we will ask you for your pay stubs, W-2s, 2 months worth of bank statements, any retirement accounts. If you receive Social Security, for example, we request the Social Security award letter and the 1099s. If you're self-employed, we would ask for 2 years tax returns. Very short and simple process.
That's great. Thank you. Those are all great things to know, Tony. I really appreciate your time today. This was an awesome first-time home buyers chat with you. How can our members get a hold of you? What is the best way to contact you?
My direct number is 413-730-4128. My cell phone, always available, 413-575-8362. And of course, online right through Pioneer Valley Credit Union website. You can always apply online directly right then and there, or send me an email at tony@pvcu.org. Again, that's tony@pvcu.org.
Thank you so much, Tony.
Thank you.